Now look at another example. This is slightly more complicated but similar kind the one we have done in the previous example. This chart that you can see, this table that you can see, it is about a courier service company, right? There are three cities, Kolkata, Mumbai and Delhi. In the three different cities, they have three different rates. So when you send something by courier, what happens? The amount that you have to pay, that depends on the weight of the person or the weight of the object or the goods that you are sending. So they said that in Kolkata what happens, if you are sending up to rupees 100 kg, whatever you have sent, if it is within 100 kg limit, can be less than 100 kg, can be exactly equal to 100 kg, you have to pay 45 rupees per kg. 45 rupees per kg, that means I send something for 10 kg, I will pay 450 rupees. So it has to be multiplied also, right, by the weight. And say the weight will be always in the integer. There is no decimal, nothing. It's a simple, straightforward multiplication will take place. Integer multiplication will take place. And above rupees 100 kg in Kolkata, you are paying rupees 80 per kg. Similarly, same thing in Mumbai and in Delhi. Up to 100 kg, one kind of rate. And if it is above 100 kg, if your parcel is above 100 kg, exceeding 100 kg, you got to pay 90 rupees and here it is 85 rupees. It's given. Now, what you have to do, one thing is very clear here, that it depends on the city, which city we are talking about. So say it is given in the question very clearly at the very beginning only, that you have to enter the city you are talking about. Now, how do you enter the city? The city can be entered either by writing the first letter in capital or in small. Okay, so Kolkata, to represent Kolkata, I can write K in capital or K in small. To represent Mumbai, I might write M in capital or M in small. Or to represent Delhi, I can write D in capital or D in small. If I write only the first letter correctly of these cities, it will mean that particular city. So that means here the things are slightly more complicated. What I need to input here to calculate how much a person will have to pay. Fine? I need to know two things. One, which city we are talking about, that city, the first letter, and I need to know the weight of the parcel that you are sending. If you tell me this, then I can calculate the amount, or the program can calculate the amount, right? So here what you do at first? At first we have to input here the city. So you can give here, basically you can take a variable C and you can write here input, okay, enter K or N or D. One of these things you will input. K for Kolkata, M for Mumbai, D for Delhi. Fine. Now here obviously it is M, D or K. These values are text in nature, non-numeric in nature. So I wrote only input. I did not give any int float. Observe that very, very carefully. Now what I will do? Now my job is to check whether I am talking about Kolkata or Mumbai or Delhi. So Kolkata means C can be equal to capital K. I need to use double equal to because I am checking here the equality between C and the K. So double equal to will be used. So if C double equal to K or, now here or is to be used because user can enter either capital K or small k. So obviously it will be or I wrote small k, right? So if the value of C is K or capital K, here also basically you can do one more step which I did not do. You can write W is the weight of the person. So that also we can finish inputting. I wrote INT input, right? I think it is becoming a little clumsy, so I will just delete and write it fresh for you. W equal to INT input, enter the weight of the person. Okay. Enter the weight. Here I took INT because weight is going to be a numeric figure, and weight will be always weight will be always input in integer. There will be no fraction. Now, what is happening is I wrote if C double equal to K, what I was writing, capital K, or C double equal to small k. Because Kolkata, I need to write K. I can write capital K, I can write small k also. Now in this, again I have to check whether the weight is within 100, then up to 100 or more than 100. Depending on that I have to pay, right? So what we can do here is, we can write, here we can put if condition. This if we check whether the weight is 100 kg limit or more than 100 kg. So W is well within 100 or not. If it is within 100, then the rate, we can write, the rate is going to be 45 rupees per kg. And else, what will happen? What will happen? Rate. That means rate, obviously this else means I am talking about above 100 kg. So in that case, rate will be 80 kg. Right? Now to calculate how much you have to pay, you can easily do it. But I would suggest, don't do the calculation now. Let us complete for all the cities, and at last we will do the computations. I am just showing you, just see to this very carefully. I wrote rate equal to 45, rate equal to 80. I did not do any calculation. Now my second condition, because city might be Kolkata, might be something else, right? Or if you want, you can do the computations here also, not a problem. You can write here bill, how much you pay? Bill is going to be rate multiplied by the weight. Okay? Rate multiplied by weight means, say I said something for exactly 100 kg. So 100 kg is within this limit, so it will be basically rate will be 45. So 45 into 100. So 45 into 100 means 4,500 rupees I have to pay. Very simple thing. Okay, and what you can do is, you can write here print. You can write A rupees B. Put a comma. So this is what you have to do for one case. So similar thing I have to do for the second case also. Right? I will write in that case L if the second condition, if my city value is now double equal to Mumbai, that is M, or if my city value is double equal to small m. That means I am talking about Mumbai. So exactly the same thing what I have done for Kolkata, the same thing I have to do for Mumbai also. But for Mumbai the rates are different. I wrote here 45, I will write 50, and here I wrote 80, but in case of Mumbai the rate will be 90. That is the difference. So again we can write here that if my weight is well within 100, then what would happen? My rate is going to be, this all should be in same column. Remember this rate. Okay? The rate should be 50, else rate should be equal to 90. And I will do exactly the same thing I have done. That means I will calculate the bill and I will do the print. So this is how I will continue. I will do the same thing for Delhi also. One more step I will do. And finally what will happen, if another elif will be there to represent Delhi. And then finally we will write else. What is the meaning of that else? That else obviously means I did not enter K for city, I did not enter M or small m, and I did not enter D or small d. That means obviously my choice of city was wrong. So else part of this if elif statement would be, you have selected a wrong city. That is how you have to solve it. Fine. So you understood this if is representing the city Kolkata. Under this I am falling under this category or this category depending on my weight. This is checking if my city value is Mumbai, M or small m. Now it is checking whether I am falling into this category or into this category. Fine. That is how we are doing. And with the else we will write. Imagine I wrote all of them. Okay, this is my last elif. Okay, so in the else part I will write. Else part we just have to write. Just print out wrong city. Only write wrong city. That is more than enough. That means you chose a wrong city, so computation cannot be done. So this is these examples, the previous example and this example are examples of nested ifs, because here one if structure is within another if structure. Look at this. I wrote within elif also I wrote another if structures. Fine. I will put all them down in the notes. If you have any doubts, please ask me.